Hey guys, welcome back. A lot of you all know I have been wanting this for a long time, and I am so excited to share with you the unboxing and setup of my new MacBook Air. And I got it in gold. So pretty. Look at that pretty packaging. So I'm so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the unboxing and setup of this. Stay tuned. I purchased my Mac at Best Buy, and that was just because they were having a great Cyber Monday sale. But you can easily purchase this on Amazon if you want to get it quickly and easily to your front door. Go to the links provided below, and it will take you straight to the Amazon site for your new MacBook Air. Let's get started with this unboxing. Let me go ahead and get this plastic off of here. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's see how to get in this. You almost don't want to open it, it's so pretty. Oh wow. So that's the pretty box. And I'm going to lift it up. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to first see what's in this box here. So we have the cord. Set that to the side. And we have the coveted gold stickers. That is so pretty. So pretty. And instructions, of course. Little operating manual. And then we have the charging brick. Everything all nice and shiny. So there it is. And that's everything. So now we're going to get to the Mac itself. It comes in this cover to prevent scratching. Oh, that's pretty. Let's get this off. Ooh wee, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So let us get her opened up. I'm supposed to open it this way. See the sleek design. Has a little rubber feeding so it won't slide. So we're going to open it up. And here is the covering. Oh my goodness! And it starts to charge up right away. Oh my goodness. And it's very lightweight, you all. Very lightweight. I love that. So the regular price of this, so while this is charging or doing whatever it's going to do, it's, well, the regular price is $10.99. And my Cyber Monday price was $8.99. Okay, so here it says to
use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. We're going to press return for English. United States. So we're going to continue because that's what we want. Choose a keyboard layout. We're going to hit continue for US. Select your Wi-Fi network. So this is the data and privacy page here. So we're just going to go ahead and hit continue. Transfer information to this Mac. If you have important information on another Mac or Windows PC, you can transfer. So I don't. So it says, it gives you the option here, don't transfer any information. So we're going to continue. Sign in with your Apple ID. I'll be back. Okay, so I've entered my Apple ID and password. So now it comes to the terms and condition page. Use of your Mac computer, the Mac OS software, game center, and related services are subject to these terms and conditions. Please read them carefully. I agree. I read and I agree to the Mac OS software license agreement and game center terms and conditions. So we're going to go up here and hit agree. Okay, create a computer account. So here is setting up my iCloud. So while it's doing that, I'll give you a little bit more information about it. You could, at that time on Cyber Monday when I purchased it, you could get it at Best Buy outright for $8.99, or you could put it on an 18-month interest-free Best Buy card. So either one of those would get you the Mac. This is a 13-inch, and as you see, I bought it in gold. And oh my goodness, it is so pretty. It's kind of in between a rose gold and gold. It's not rose gold, but it's not a gold. So, okay, here we are. We have stopped. Would you like to use iCloud keychain on this Mac? I don't know what that is. We'll do that later. This says iCloud keychain keeps the passwords and credit card information you save up to date on the devices you approve. Your information is encrypted and can't be read by Apple. No, I don't think I care for that, so I'm just going to do setup later. Okay, so this is the express setup. It has something in there I don't want you to see, so I'm just going to hit continue. So right here we're at the Siri setup, and it says enable ask Siri, so we're going to go ahead and do that. It says Siri helps you get things done just by asking. Siri sends information like your voice input, contacts, location to Apple to process your request. Siri can also make suggestions before you ask in apps, search, and keyboards. Set up Hey Siri. This helps Siri to recognize your voice when you say Hey Siri. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Okay, so I'm going to hit continue. All your files in iCloud. Keep all the important files on your Mac safely stored and available everywhere. So it says store files from documents and desktop in iCloud Drive. All your files from the documents folder and the desktop will automatically upload to iCloud Drive and stay up to date on all your devices. So I'm going to hit continue. File Vault Disk Encryption. Secures your data by encrypting the contents of your disk and locking your screen with a password. Would you like to use File Vault to encrypt the disk on your Mac? Touch ID. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb on Touch ID. I don't know if I like that. I'll do that later because I'm not too keen on all that fingerprint stuff. Are you sure you don't want to set up Touch ID right now? I am positive. I'll have to look into that. I'm just not keen with it. Add credit, debit, or store cards and use Apple Pay with Touch ID to make purchases easily and securely right from your Mac. No thanks. We're going to do that later. Choose your look. I like light. I don't like dark, backgrounds and things. So I'm going to hit the light. You can always change it later if you want to. True Tone Display. Your Mac Automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. You can change this later in displays and system preferences. So I'm going to hit continue, and it says setting up your Mac. So I'm going to continue telling you information about it. Like I said, this is a 13-inch, and I bought the gold. The other colors that are an option are silver and space gray. Let's see, it comes with the Retina display, as you just saw. It's a 128 gig, and you can get the one that has more. I think it's 258 or something like that, but I got the 128, and it costs more. The higher one does. And that Retina display just means that whatever lighting you're in, your computer screen is going to adjust so it's not real bright and too harsh on your eyes. So this charging brick, of course, that charges by the USB-C. So here's the first screen that it comes to. It has apps down here at the bottom. You can lighten up your screen because I like mine's light. I have to find out how to do that. But I can lighten up the screen from here at one of these buttons. And then also, this comes with a dual core processor. And here comes with the headphone jack. Hopefully you can see that. Comes with the headphone jack. And then on this side, it comes with 2 USB ports. And this is the little sensor button here for if you want to do the touch ID for your login and everything. So like I said, I'm going to check into that. And I heard that the speakers are real good. I haven't gotten a chance to try them out yet, but I hear the speakers are really nice, which is very important to me because I love music. I'm a music girl. You all know that. So it has nice speakers to it. It comes with iMovie and other apps that come on here, and I'm sure you can load other things on. It is very easy to charge your MacBook Air. All you do is put the brick into the outlet, and then you insert the other end into one of the USB ports. Very, very easy. Of course, the charging goes quicker if the Mac is turned off. And I will show you on the other side here. It has an outlet for your earbuds or your headphones. It goes right here on the other side, and you insert it just like that. Don't be alarmed. I do have some old Blue Beats, but works just great, and it sounds so good through the headphones. It has a great speaker system here on this Mac. And you guys, I'm going to keep you updated on to how I like it going forward. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. It's just been a long time coming, and I am excited. So I hope you liked the unboxing and the setup. I hope that helped you out if you all are getting one. You guys, thumbs this video up. If you liked it, hopefully you liked it. Hopefully it helped you out. And I'd love to have you as a subscriber here to Tracie's Place. Click that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll get it right away. And love you guys. Be blessed. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.